Hey guys, microwaves. Never really been a fan of them. I think it was due to my upbringing. You never really cooked in them, you just stuck a Hungryman Dinner in them and ate. But lately I've been doing some more research and doing a lot more cooking in them, and they're really useful and you can do some great things. A real time saver too. I decided to do up this wonderful 20-minute meatloaf in the microwave. Came out absolutely incredible. Just imagine coming home, putting something in the microwave, having it done in 20 minutes, and dinner on the table. Let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, we're going to kick things off here by adding a pound of lean ground beef to my mixing bowl. Funny, I used to have a friend who used to say LB, never said pound, so we're going to add an LB of lean ground beef, followed by 2 tablespoons of French onion soup mixture. I just like that, adds a little bit more pizzazz. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going to save half of this for my yummy glaze. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, just for that little bit of sweetness. A tablespoon of prepared mustard. And as always, you can play with the ingredients. These are just the ingredients I like, but it comes out really well. And half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Pretty easy, just half, half, and half. A 1/3 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. You can use panko or whatever you like. I just like the Italian. An egg. And last but not least, this is my special, a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Now I'm using the Lady Diana's, but you can use, Montreal, whatever you like. Take my handy dandy mixing spoon and we're going to mix this all together. Now we're all mixed up here and this is really smelling good, guys. I'm going to add this to my microwavable container and make sure it is microwavable because it is going in the microwave. And we'll just kind of spread this out. Okay, what I'm going to do here is slip this in a 1,000-watt microwave for about 12 minutes. Now I said 1,000 watts here, but most microwaves come in about 1,000 watts. Check the side panel and you'll see how many watts your microwave is. If it happens to be 1100, reduce the time. That's kind of the secret to microwave cooking. Okay guys, we're at the 6-minute mark here. So I'm just going to rotate this a little bit and just check it here. My goodness, it is cooking nicely. Okay, another 6 minutes. Okay, my friends, just before the 12-minute mark, I'm going to make my glaze by combining the leftover 2 tablespoons of ketchup with another tablespoon of barbecue sauce and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we'll just give this a little mix-a-rooney. Remove our meatloaf from the oven, or from the microwave. You can see it shrunk a little bit here, but still good enough to serve, I'd say 3, maybe 4 people. And just spoon the glaze over the top. And what we're going to do now is return this to the microwave for another 2 minutes. After another 2 minutes, there you have it guys, our 20-minute meatloaf. This is going to be so good. And just look at this, all done in the microwave. Doesn't that look fantastic? So I'm just going to go ahead and plate this up. Okay, let's go ahead and slice into this and see what we've got. Just look at this, guys. Doesn't that look incredible? Hard to believe it was done in 20 minutes. Alright, my all-time favorite time, as you already know, the taste test. Just look at this, guys. I think this is going to be so good. Okay. It's actually quite remarkable. This is good. For 20 minutes in the microwave, just kind of throw it together. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Become a member, subscribe to our newsletter, and most of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys. See you next time.